Presido Buhari don celebrate with Kwara State Governor Mama as today na her birthday. Presido Buhari don congratulate Alhaji AGF Abdulrazak, wey be senior advocate for Naija, and his son Abdulrahman Abdulrazak, wey be the current governor of Kwara State, as today na the Governor Mama birthday. Alhaja Raliat Amope Abdulrazak, wey be both the Governor Mama and the wife of the first lawyer wey dey for North for Naija, na person wey dey help people wey no too get, and na she be the founder of Raliat Foundation. She go be 90 today. Presido Buhari come clap hand for the celebrant for the ogbonge things wey she dey do for people wey dey around her, as this one dey bring joy and happiness. He still pray say make Allah give her many more years to serve her family, community and Naija. Naija na we own. Make we join hand with federal government to take fight this yamayama disease wey don enter Naija so. We go fit do this one if we follow laws wey federal government don put for ground, wey be to wash our hands with soap and water, use sanitizer, wear face mask and practice social distancing. Na here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today. On top say Presido Buhari don celebrate with Kwara State Governor Mama as today na her birthday. Make una remember say na T-Life Media na im carry this ogbonge informate come give una.